Problem number 11. A particle is moving such that its position coordinates x comma y are 2 meter comma 3 meter at time t is equal to 0, 6 meter comma 7 meter at time t equal to 2 seconds, and 13 meter comma 14 meter at time t is equal to 5 seconds. Average velocity vector v average from time t is equal to 0 to 5 seconds is option A 1 by 5 13i plus 14j, option B 7 by 3 I plus j, option C 2 into I plus j, option D 11 by 5 I plus j. Now let us look into the solution. A particle is moving. Okay, particle is moving. In what way it is moving? When time t is 0, its position, this is when time t is 0, its position is given as 2 meter comma 3 meter, fine. At time t is equal to 0, fine. 6 meter comma 7 meter at time t equal to 2 seconds, and 13 meter comma 14 meter at time t equal to 5 seconds, right? Average velocity vector is required. So average velocity vector formula, net displacement, note that net displacement will be a vector by total time taken. Total time taken for what? For change in position from 2 meter comma 3 meter to 13 meter comma 14 meter. The intermediate positions of the particle, not necessary. It can go anyway, that doesn't matter. We only want where it was initially, where it is finally. Then find the displacement. Simply join initial position and final position. The vector from its initial position to the final position is this net displacement. Okay, this is a formula. This is a vector. Net displacement is a vector. So what is the initial position? Say A, 2 comma 3. Let's say this is the initial position of the particle. Then where it goes after time t equal to 5 seconds, it goes here. Let's say the final position as P, 13 comma 14. Here it is 2 comma 3. Let the coordinates be in units of meter. Then what is the displacement? Join AB, then the vector AB directed from A to B is displacement. Okay, it may have been traveling anyway, but initially it was here, now it is here at B. Therefore AB is the displacement vector, initial and final, considering initial and final positions. Okay, so we essentially, this net displacement will be nothing but AB. Of course, this is time interval. I'll call it as delta t. From t equal to 0 to t equal to 5 means delta t is equal to 5 seconds. Delta t is the time interval, right? First we will find AB, which is a net displacement. We know from law of triangle of vector addition, AB is nothing but OB minus OA. This you can make use. Okay, I am not going to give the proof for this, but it follows from law of triangle law of vector addition. What is O here? O is the origin. So OB is the position vector of B, OA is the position vector of A. Origin may be, say, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. That may be origin. That I have not brought into the picture, but it will be somewhere here. That is the origin. Okay. Now, how to find this OB? Is equal to, it's given here, the coordinates are 13 comma 14. So OB we can write as 13i plus 14j. I write here also 13i plus 14j. Okay, so we call it as 1, we call it as 2. Then what is this OA then? OA come here. This is 2i plus 3j. 2i plus 3j. Okay. We want to find OB minus OA. That is displacement vector. So subtract. This is displacement vector AB. Okay. It is equal to, you have to subtract, no. So 11i plus 11j. This is the displacement vector. Therefore, V average is equal to displacement vector 11i plus 11j divided by the time interval, which is 5 seconds. The numerator 11 is constant, denominator is 5. So I plus j. This is j. Okay, I plus j. So 11 by 5 into I plus j is average velocity. See in the options, it is given here. Okay.